kantahin. Halika dito sa bunso. Oh, wait. Oh, kantahan natin si Ray dito. Dito. Dito si Ray sa una. Oh, ha? Oh, mag-sing kayo ng malakas na happy birthday kay Ray, ha? Sabay-sabay, kakanta. Oh, Rex. Laksan mo yung kanta, ha? Oh. 1, 2, 3, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. O, isa pa, yung mabilis naman. Dali, o. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. O, sabi niyo, happy birthday, Ray. Happy birthday, Ray. Sabi mo, thank you, classmate. Okay, oh. Happy si Ray? Okay, happy daw si Ray. Ano? Kasi gusto niya dito mag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday.